When renovating my kitchen, adding a range hood was the most important project since my kitchen always smelled bad after cooking, even when I opened all the windows. I bought the Whirlpool flat range hood as I like its sleek stainless steel finish and a flat canopy design, which is suitable for most modern kitchens. In terms of installation, if you already have a range hood and are simply replacing it, the process is straightforward and relatively quick. However, in my case, I didn't have a range hood at all. Installing this hood meant running new ductwork to the outside and adding a dedicated power supply, which took me a fair amount of time and effort. While it was more complicated, the results were absolutely worth it. The difference in air quality was immediate, and my house no longer has cooking odors. The design also leans towards simplicity, with just 3 push-button fan speeds and fixed LED lights. The LED task lighting provides very good illumination for the cooktop below. Notably, it can be installed as an externally vented system or converted to a recirculating setup with the proper kit. This is especially convenient for homeowners who cannot run ductwork to the outside. The grease filters are easy to clean and maintain as they are dishwasher safe. This hood features a 400 CFM motor class, which provides more than enough suction for me. For everyday use, such as boiling, simmering, or light sautéing, the fan performs quietly and efficiently. At its lowest speed, it operates at about 44 decibels. When you do heavier cooking like frying, the higher settings handle smoke and steam effectively, though the noise level does increase significantly. At full power, the hood produces over 65 decibels. Overall, I am very impressed with the performance, a minimal design, and user-friendly maintenance at a reasonable price point. The installation may take some time, but the improvement in comfort and air quality makes the Whirlpool range hood the most important upgrade for my kitchen.